friends, and welcome to day 4 of introductions for Mama Elephant's January 2025 release. Today we are introducing Counting Left and its coordinating creative cuts, as well as the Sweetheart cover. Let's start by taking a look at the images included in this set. As you can see, the style is similar to Counting Right, but the animals are on the other side of the numbers. Here you can see them side by side. The combinations between the sets are endless. Today I will be showing you how I color the little koala with the number 7. The Copic color combinations are listed in the description below. And of course we add some white gel pen. Next up is the Sweetheart cover. Here you can see what it cuts out. I will show you up close, and as you can see there are these tiny little hearts all over the pattern. For today's card I will be using the cutout with the Kraft cardstock, and I'm lining it with this pink reddish paper. I think it turned out so pretty. Now let's move on to making a tiny scene on top of our panel. I'm using the third largest combo circles combination. I've cut everything from white cardstock, but to the top panel I added some blue as well as green ink blending. As most of this is going to be covered by my images, I didn't really need to add any stenciling. I chose to use the number 2 because I have a second birthday of someone coming up. I went in search through my stash to find some images that would coordinate well with the number 2 I would be using. I ended up using all the tiny images as well as the bunch of balloons included in the Peekabuddies stamp set. I'm popping up my number 2 so it would be easier to fit the other images behind. When my scene was done, I took the happy birthday sentiment from the banner greetings and snipped it in half. This way my combined sentiment now reads, Happy 2nd birthday. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And as this was the last day of release, I will see you next month. This release is available from the 15th of January. Bye!